no donkey. We are human being. When a 4 foot, we have a 2. We want a road. We tired to vote for no. We are tired of voting for nothing. We need the minister. We want, when Prime Minister name, Andrew Holness, we need you. Because you say you care for we. And we want you to see prosperity. And we don't have the prosperity in the Northeast St. Catherine. We are live like a cow and dog around here. We are no donkey. We are human being. When a 4 foot, we have a
election talk our fault. We want to see the MP know the city road here. She never concerned on a graduation. She concerned road. So we want to see the MP, the money we are giving for vote. We take your money, come give back the road, that road we vote for. Prosperity we vote for. We never vote for no one. So let's talk about this on a crocodile, you know. All that we have name, and if I never make up, never come for what are we up here?
And yes, you can lock down church.
Tell Andrew say him get enough already. Andrew coming out from Spanish Town, come buy a house. Build a house at Cherry Garden for over 800 million. You can't go home now, my brother. You get enough. Your pocket full. Go on home now, my dog.
Andrew, let's go and let's say one bad up everybody, but nobody nothing talk. A man go come yesterday come tell me about he's a good steward of this country. Really? Really? You're a good steward of your account and your wife's account. Yeah, that is what you are. And a traitor to your people.
You're oppressed too long. And people afraid for talk. You hear that? But you want next term like a dictatorship in Japan. You think you're Putin? A Jamaican. We are going to retaliate, brother. We are going to retaliate. It are going done. It are going to stop. Your mind game where you use for the poor.
Stop insulting the people, them intelligence. Their eyes open, Andrew. They can see now. They can read now. They understand now. Stop growing and come on, brother. Speak truth once in your life. Stop lying. Take your knee out of the people, them neck. Andrew Holness, you're not serve the people, them. You're not listen to them. You're not answer their cries. All you do are just grab. Yeah, grabber? Jesus Christ, man, come on. Take your knee out of their neck. Do what is right. Or take away yourself.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. The lady said they must do what is right or take with themselves. When you hear the things that more people have to say about them, when you hear the things that people have to say about this government, what claims that they might do everything good, and them want a third term, my viewers and subscribers, like and share the video for me there. Please like and share the video now. You need to share the video because you hear the things that the people them say, and I mean say it, you know. And the people them talk the things them me play it for make you hear the things that the people them talk say, you know. Like and share the video for me, my viewers and subscribers. You need to watch this video to the end. Them say everything good. And them at work, and this government is for the people, and the people must say no, only is not for we. The people must tell the things them. The lady in the first part of the video said, Andrea say you care for the people them. Where are you? My viewers and subscribers, watch the video to the end. Like and share the video, watch it to the end.
And yes, you can lock down church.
Tell Andrew say him get enough already. Andrew coming out from Spanish Town, come buy a house. Build a house at Cherry Garden for over 800 million. You can't go home now, my brother. You get enough. Your pocket full. Go on home now, my dog. You oppress the people too long. Real talk. We need freedom. When you do the first world country, not doing it. Me know you's a puppet, my brother. Go home now, man. Go home. Free we up. And may I tell you straight, the army and the force not enough than we. When more, we are the majority. And we put you there. If I them you hide there, you're going to lose. Because them have family. Them have brother. Them have sister. Them have aunt. Think, brother. Think. You're oppressed too long. And people afraid for talk. You hear that? But you want next term like a dictatorship in Japan. You think you're Putin? A Jamaican. We are going to retaliate, brother. We are going to retaliate. It are going done. It are going stop. Your mind game where you use for the poor.
Andrew HOLNESS for me, nobody could say anything about it. But what I'm seeing at me now, a PNP me a vote for.
Oh, thank you. PNP
me a vote for. No,
you're making the right decision.
Nobody could talk about Labour. Let me hear me always a quarrel with them. Now, a PNP me a vote
I want to meet Mr. Bowling.
No, I want to meet him.
Whole ballon, man.
A PNP me a vote for.
Vote out the Prime Minister. You know, she say I sell out the whole of Jamaica. My heritage. The man I sell out. You know when I look at Andrew HOLNESS, he have market to man syndrome. Can I sell everything? The man now stop selling him don't own Jamaica. And the people out there, don't even realize that them have them under slavery. Modern day slavery, the people in Jamaica live, you know. Because you walk now. The money them I get fortnightly, right? You listen me, cameraman. The money after me analyze the situation. The money them I get fortnightly is not a day pay for me in a foreign. And the food costs the same as foreign. So how come them call this brother bro God and bro this and bro that? Where the money there? Where the masses may have greed?
And a traitor to your people. Andrew HOLNESS go on like saying one bad up everybody, but nobody no fi talk. Him man go come yesterday come tell me about he's a good steward of this country. Really? Really? You're a good steward of your account and your wife's account. Yeah, that is what you are. And a traitor to your people.
The heads of government, Andrew HOLNESS and the cabinet are party thief. And Nigel Clark, the Piper's son, they come to destroy Jamaican poor people career. Nothing now going for poor people again, not if you dog or your yard, poor man can raise. Not if black man follow a puss. Because if he find dinner today, he can't find it tomorrow. And this blood clot Labour right boy government.
Bailout SSL. I are going like a no bailout. Stop insulting the people, them intelligence. Their eyes open, Andrew. They can see now. They can read now. They understand now. Stop going and come on, brother. Speak truth once in your life. Stop lie. Take your knee out of the people them neck. Andrew HOLNESS, you not serve the people them. You not listen to them. You not answer their cries. All you do are just grab. Yeah, grabber? Jesus Christ, man, come on. Take your knee out of their neck. Do what is right. Or take away yourself.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you heard what people all over have to say. People are yard, our people are broad. They hear what man have to say, woman have to say. They hear what don't have to say, the bright have to say. This government has to go. Them have to go. How much I want comfortable with them and what they're doing. Every minute them come out and tell me a bag of lie that everything is all right. And the people's eyes have been open. Never in the history of Jamaica have we seen a government that everybody are called for resign. So it is the most corrupt government. The government that their names is being called upon corruption. And it is a shame because of them alone will say I get rich. The man talk and say Andrew come from Spanish Town with nothing at all and look at his assets today. And when they compare it with many Jamaicans, more Jamaicans are suffering and getting poorer and poorer and poorer, while these people are getting richer and richer and richer and having more assets. Them got to go. Andrew and the JLP must go. Too much false promises. The lady at the front, and at the beginning of the video, so we are tired of voting for nothing. Tired for vote for nothing for true. We're tired of the false promises. You claim say you love poor people and you care for the poor people, and that's how you treat them. You cuss them, you lock them up, you lick down them house, you mash up them raft, you take them money, do this. Everything you do is to make the people of Jamaican suffer. Every single thing that you do. And on top of it, I can't forget, you come out, Mr. Prime Minister, and said you had the plan for crime. You come out and said you had the plan for crime. So if you had started to plant those crime initiatives that you mentioned 7 or 8 years ago, you would have seen fruit today. But because you too lie, you do nothing, you brag and boast about everything, and there's nothing to brag and boast about. Jamaica is tired of you. Me tired of you. The woman them tired of you. The man tired of you. And for God's sakes, you will never get a third term. Never. The road them now fix good. The hospital now fix good. The education system now run good. Crime now run good. We not talk about the economy. We don't pay down the debt. That's the only thing we do, pay down the debt. But the people are in debt. The people are in debt. Them can't afford to make 2 ends meet. Them cannot afford, the people them cannot afford to make 2 ends meet. And enough is enough. Enough is enough. It has to stop. Enough is enough, man. It has to stop, man. So it is time for you and me and me and me and me and you for vote them out. Don't sorry for them. Don't give them back another chance. They do not deserve another chance. We make the mistake and give them 2. Don't make the mistake and give them 3. Vote them out.